Hello investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
The PSEi has registered week-on-week gains for 5 consecutive trading weeks, and it has further shown topish signs as of last Friday's close. Despite being able to reach a high of 6,990 in the previous trading week, we have observed the following: 1. Potential bearish divergence with RSI and MACD. 2. Volume has been dwindling as the index reached new highs. And 3. A shooting star candlestick was formed. Last week's price action not only exhibited topish signs but also profit-taking as the PSEi trades near its resistance level. The key market action that we should keep at the back of our mind is that a correction may happen anytime soon. When this happens, the 6,800 support level must be watched closely.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
Jollibee Foods Corporation. JFC had broken out of a sideways range in January and peaked at 276.40. Unlike the PSEi that reached new highs in the past few days, JFC took its time to correct. However, the stock managed to rebound off its 50-day SMA and was able to surpass the short-term downtrend line we've drawn from its breakout peak. JFC closed at 264.20, and it may be bought at current price as we anticipate that the stock could continue with its uptrend, as its MACD is close to crossing above the signal line, and its RSI continues to flash bullish momentum. Our initial target is set at 290, which also coincides with our research team's target. But if the strong momentum is sustained, we may see the stock revisit higher prices. To manage risks, place your stop level at 251.80 and limit your sizing as the reward-to-risk ratio of this trade idea is 2-to-1.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media channels.